How to stop Spotify playing suggested songs. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, you will need to tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then from the side menu, here select Settings and Privacy. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. In this page, look for Payback section. Tap on Payback, and now inside it, here you'll need to scroll a bit down, and there you'll be able to see listening controls option. Here you'll be able to see the option Autoplay, which means similar content will play when you are listening to the ends. Now you will also see the toggle button at the right side of it. You just simply need to tap on the toggle button to disable it. Now this will prevent Spotify from automatically playing suggested songs after your current playlist ends. Also, if you are a premium user, you can also disable the Smart Shuffle feature to avoid suggestions being added to your playlist. So this is how you can stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.